If you are searching for that one person who will change your life, look in the mirror. If you are searching for that one thing, that one trick or hack, the one secret that will give you the life you want, stop and instead look in the mirror. You are the only person who can create the life you want. It's not anyone else's responsibility. It's yours. There are some people who live by this principle, but the reality is most people won't take that responsibility. Most people would sooner make excuses than look in the mirror. The problem is always out there. It's never in here. These are the same people who spend more on lotto tickets than they do on their own personal development. They spend more on diet pills than they do on health food. They spend more time complaining about all the reasons they can't succeed than they do working for the possibility that they can succeed. It's always someone else's fault. Old Nightingale said it best: we are all self-made, but only the successful will admit. We are all self-made in our health, fitness and physical shape, but only the fit will admit. We are all self-made in the joy we experience every day, but only those who are happy will admit. We are all self-made financially and in every other sense, but only those who live where they are will admit. If I want a better life, I'm not going to sit around and wait for the government to change the rules. I'm going to get out there and work for that better life. I'm going to learn what steps I can take, and I'm going to take those steps. Step by step, I will climb until I get where I intend to go. It's never easy, but it is very straightforward, and it is always worth it. I work on myself, I improve, I learn more, I improve, I never give up. I grow stronger, and that new, improved, stronger version of me creates better results than the old version of me. I find a way to create the life I want. If I want a better body, a better health, I know a prescription is not going to give it to me. I know I can't get it from an infomercial. The only way I can get it is through my own work and my own self-discipline. I'm the only person who can create the life I want. There is no one else that will ever want it as bad as I want it. It's up to me and me alone. I wouldn't have it any other way. Look in the mirror.